starting off the day right with some Alina segment, or whatever you pronounce your last name. For my old Call of Duty players, you used to play the zombies, man. Those were the days. But we're gonna start the day off today. We're going to Woodside, California to install 4 flappers, 3 for like regular toilets and 1 for a Toto. And then we're also gonna repair a garbage disposal gasket. So let's get to it. Not much planned for the day, but we're gonna pull some calls after that. Let's get to it. Alright, we're doing the wall hung. This is gonna be an American standard. See that flapper? At least the fill valve was replaced, but that flapper looks in bad shape. Okay, let's do it. Off that valve. Don't leak on me, don't leak on me. Kind of feel, oop, we have a leak. And it kind of feels like okay. This flapper. Like that. Once it starts to release that black, you know, rubber residue, yeah, it means it's done for. Get one of these Ultra by Corky. There you go. And then there's numbers. We're gonna try to correlate with this toilet, which is a 3.5 gallons per flush. So we look, this chain is too big, so we're gonna adjust the chain just like that. Now let's test it. Turning on the valve. Yeah.
So you don't check water passage, right?
What was that?
You don't check water passage.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm replacing for 4.
Check out the emergency.
Yeah, I did. Last time I was here, I was here before, and I made sure I check everything. Yeah. Good. Yeah, look how big this house is. It's got a pool out there, you know, big like outside area, you know. They made an extension to the house. You know, kitchen in there. This place probably has like 6 bathrooms. Not even choking, probably more. But yeah, we're just here. It's basically freshly rented, but we're just here to make sure that everything's running smoothly. Taking notes on what needs to be fixed before the new tenants officially move in, so they could have a proper living without you know, I don't know where occurrences or whatever. So yeah, pretty big.